In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your logo into your project so you can use it as a reusable element without any confusion. Start by opening the Canva project you're working on. Make sure you're in the main editor view, where you can see your design in the middle and the toolbar running down the left side. On that left panel, look for the Upload section. This is where Canva stores any images, graphics, or logos you bring in from your device so you can use them across your designs. Click Uploads to open it. At the top, you'll see a button that says Upload Files. Click that, and your computer's file picker will pop up. Navigate to the folder where your logo is saved. Common logo formats like PNG, JPG, and SVG are supported, and if you have a version with a transparent background, a PNG or SVG is often best for clean placement over different colors. Select your file and confirm. Canva will begin uploading it, and you'll see a progress indicator. Larger files or high-resolution logos may take a moment, so give it a second to finish. If you prefer, you can also drag and drop your logo file directly into the Uploads panel. Just click and hold the file on your desktop or in a folder. Drag it over the Canva window until you see the upload area highlighted, and release. Canva will automatically start the upload and add it to your library. Once the upload is complete, your logo will appear as a thumbnail inside the Uploads panel. From here, all you need to do is click the logo. Clicking it adds it to your current design, treating it as an element you can work with. The key idea is that after you upload, your logo becomes part of your project's available assets, so you can bring it in whenever you need it simply by clicking on it in the Upload section. That's all it takes. You've successfully added your logo to Canva by uploading it and then selecting it from the Uploads panel so it's ready to use as an element in your project. This simple workflow keeps your logo handy and consistent across your designs, saving you time and ensuring your brand looks the same every time you create something new. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating with your newly added logo.